There are a number of reasons to plant California native plants if you live in California into your garden. They require less water, which is a big deal in California, and they're really good for pollinators. They attract insects, butterflies, moths, you name it, and there's a variety of California native plants that you can plant in your garden. If you're interested in growing California natives, or if you live in a different state, check out your local Master Gardeners program and ask them if they offer any classes, and I'm sure that they do, on planting and caring for native plants. A link to Master Gardeners programs and how to find them in your state is in the description of the video. You'll find Master Gardeners are friendly and informative, and they can get you the answers that you need to help you in your own garden. California native plants are on sale and grown by master gardeners in our area to be available at the boot camp and the 2 times that we have plant sales during the year, in the spring and the fall. So check out the Master Gardeners program. I'm here to testify that a lot of those plants went home to happy gardeners. As well as learning about native plants that we can plant in our garden, at the boot camp, we also had vendors from different organizations, such as the California Native Plant Society, the Xerces Society, and the Audubon, and a few others. They're very informative, and it's a great way to learn about how you can help nature. We all had a fantastic time at the Native Plant Boot Camp, and if you're interested in joining us next year, check out the link in the description of the video to the Master Gardeners of Monterey, San Benito, and Santa Cruz counties, and you can find that link and go directly to their website for more information. Thanks, guys!